Hey whales, good afternoon. It's March 13th, Thursday, after hours here in the afternoon. I wanted to go over and review Tesla and break it down because of how close we are to a potential bottom, or at least a relief rally here. So just wanted to get ahead of the schedule for tomorrow going into the weekend. So with that said, with Tesla, just a disclaimer, we could have bottomed already, guys. We could have bottomed here. And now we're working on a new higher low, or this was just going to be a relief rally for wave 4, coming down for one more flush down between 209 and 151. Now, if you're an investor, in my opinion, the short-term sort of fluctuations don't matter, guys. You guys should start accumulating as much as you can because I do have Tesla going up to 520 as well as $1,000, $2,000 in the future, right, in the long term. So you're just setting yourself up for success as long as you accumulate around these levels. Anything under 250, in my opinion, is a great opportunity. Okay, coming from a trader's mindset, I do care about these short-term time frames because of trading these and my income, right? So what I'm looking at, guys, is that potentially either way, this wave 3 up to a wave 4 is a potential bottom. So I'm looking at this structure here, right? So let's say this was the absolute bottom. And what I like is that we saw 5 waves here, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up, right? So clear 5 waves, and then potentially an ABC coming down, A, B, C, right? You can see between the B to the C wave, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? I took this day trade earlier today, right? We had bullish divergence starting to form on the 3-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, took the long, and yeah, cleared out for a good win. But you can see now we're potentially, this is the higher low, okay? We're trying to hold this low, guys, down here. And if this low can hold, we potentially have a higher low now. That's beautiful, right? So now what do I want to see? Well, the thing I want to see is a break towards the upside closer to 266, guys. This is the main target I'm looking at for Tesla. If we can hold this higher low, guys, like this, right? And you can see from here, this would be a to the 4 wave potentially, right? So this would all be A, B, C. So we're trying to see if there's 5 waves within this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 266. That is what I'm looking at for Tesla to finish off this 4th wave. Okay, that's the current sort of path, right? Now, of course, this would be all screwed up if breaks below this low, right? And we're actually working on was all of an ABC, and this was actually just a 1, 2, all of a 3, 4, 5 coming down to these targets, right? So this could have been a 4, right? And now we're working on a 5th coming down, right? That's always possible too, right? That's always possible. Now, in order for Tesla have bottomed here completely, right? In order for Tesla to have bottomed here completely, what I need Tesla to do, right, is actually start breaking out, okay? Just stopping at 266, right? I need Tesla to actually reach 286, guys. So now we're working on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like this, rather than Tesla coming up here and then breaking down, right? So 266 is the target that Tesla needs to break in order for me to be more confident that this was the absolute low, guys, at 219. All right. Now, you can see from a trader's mindset how I'm visualizing this, right? How I'm going about looking at the different scenarios to know whether or not we're starting an uptrend or not, right, guys? So again, I'm seeing whether or not this is the bottom or we have one more flush down, and it'll all come tell sign at the 266 mark. Okay, so 3 different scenarios. I know there's a lot of different scenarios, but once you get to my experience level, you guys can play these scenarios and day trade really well, right? So either an ABC, right, and coming down like this, okay? This was the top here, and we're coming down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like this. That's the second scenario. Or we've bottomed here with a 1, 2, up to 3, 4, 5, and then coming down for an ABC, and then we can go up even higher, okay? Path right now, guys, that I'm looking at. So I hope this helped.